But here is the next mistake. We turn useful details into absolute laws. Tempo, feeling, EMG, grip width, stance momentum. These things can matter, but they are not all hypertrophy laws. We hear one principle and we become rigid again. We start obsessing over tempo. 3 seconds down, 2 seconds up, perfect counting. But the research does not support one magical tempo. Hypertrophy can occur across a wide range. Roughly 2 to 8 seconds per repetition. There is no clear universal rule that eccentric phase must always be slower, and there is no clear universal rule that concentric phase must always be slower. So control matters more than perfect prescription. The muscle should control the load, not gravity, not excessive momentum, not careless execution. But tempo is not the only detail we overvalue. We must be careful with another illusion. Feeling a muscle more can be useful feedback, but feeling more or seeing higher EMG does not automatically mean more hypertrophy. Acute activation is not the same thing as long-term adaptation. Grip width, stance, foot angle, bar path, these things can matter. But many of these rules are reasonable defaults, not hypertrophy laws. And even strict versus non-strict technique is not fully resolved. Excessive momentum can steal tension from the target muscle. But controlled assistance may not be automatically wrong if the target muscle still reaches a high level of effort. The evidence here is still not fully resolved. So the real lesson is this. We should care about details, but we should not worship them. For hypertrophy, the goal is not perfect counting, not perfect feeling, not perfect appearance. The goal is to create a meaningful stimulus. Movement is the vehicle. Tension is the signal, and technique is how we place it. But if technique details are not the law, what principles should guide our training for hypertrophy?